Hey guys, this is going to be a quick review of the SOF-TW Gen 4 tourniquet by TraumaPAK Solutions. Let's start by looking at what automatically stands out is these UV protected rubber bands. What makes them unique is that because this tourniquet doesn't have Velcro, you need a way to secure it, and these rubber bands allow you to do that. It also allows you, because they're UV protected, to carry it outside on your vest or on a backpack or something like that. When you do get it new, it comes in this wrapping like this, and it is slightly bigger in the profile. Again, the rubber band allow you to change the configuration. So if you look at these two configurations here, you can make it where it's shorter, but then again, it's a little thicker in the dimensions. You can also make it very thin in the dimensions, but then it just takes up a little more real estate for you in your bag or on your pack. So we'll focus on this one for a second. We'll remove these rubber bands and take an inside look at this tourniquet. So right off the bat, this is no Velcro, this is all nylon, extremely durable, and it feeds into this retention buckle. What's nice here is that if you need to go around the limb, you don't have to reweave this. You just go ahead and turn this buckle sideways, and it comes right off this metal buckle. And then when you go back around the limb, you could just put the buckle right back on its spot. It does have this type of material instead of the plastic you see with some of the other tourniquet, so there's no pinch points. Moving on, the Windlass Rod again is all aircraft aluminum. It goes into their new style retention clip here, and then their old triangle clip is now basically their secondary system for securing this windlass system. So let's take a look. We're going to go ahead and apply it above the injury site, and as I pull towards me, the retention buckle engages, and you can see there's very little, if any, slack underneath. We'll now go ahead and turn the windlass rod until bright red bleeding has stopped, and then your secondary retention system here now is with the old primary, the triangle. This is how we put it on. If you need to take it off for any reason, you just go in reverse. So again, this was the SOF-TW Gen 4 by TraumaPAK Solutions.